As people in Northern California begin showing their support and donating to relief efforts for Maui, more help could be on the way. Good evening. Thanks for being with us. I'm Luke Clary.
And I'm Alicia Machado. ABC 10's Garchpal Sunga explains how the California Fire Foundation is helping and what they want you to watch out for.
Block by block, the devastation of Lahaina lays bare in the aftermath of a fast-moving inferno, obliterating everything in its path.
So this is something that California is very familiar with.
Because of past experience, the California Fire Foundation knows after a natural disaster, scammers are out, taking advantage of people's generosity.
There's a select few that have gone out of their way to create fake accounts.
Metro Fire Captain Parker Wilborn says he hasn't heard of any local scams, but this disaster is a nationwide event, and scammers will try to make an easy buck.
So we want to get ahead of that.
The California Fire Foundation started a disaster relief fund to support residents and firefighters impacted by the Maui fires. The foundation teams up with local fire unions across California. The organization took a similar initiative during the 2018 Paradise Camp Fire, helping the community heal.
We wanted to make sure that we do have this fund in place because unfortunately we have seen people taking advantage of those folks.
As the long road to recovery begins for Lahaina, first responders making sure their experience can make it a little easier.
The problem is once these fires at this level go through a town, a city, the infrastructure is affected. It takes months, sometimes years for these communities to rebuild. So we really want to be there for them, get them the resources they need, help them rebuild, and comfort them in this time because it's such a tragic event.
If you suspect a scam, you're asked to call local police, and if you want to donate to the California Fire Foundation's efforts, you can go on to abc10.com/links.
Our Garchpal Sunga reporting the death toll from Maui is up again tonight. Now as many as 93 people are confirmed dead on the island, but that number is expected to rise. Officials on the ground say that as many as 1,000 people are still missing, and only about 3% of the destroyed buildings have been searched.